Alright, where am I sitting?
The one that's open.
Alright.
I don't think I'm going to do this anymore.
Oh, come on, you already buckled in though.
You'll be okay, honey. Just keep your head back, okay?
Alright. Well, you get some good views of the flying turns from here. Oh, where's the flying turns? There it is. Can we get it before it drops? We got it. All right. No worries, kids. You'll be fine. It's always the anticipation that kills me. Yeah! Again!
You did it, guys.
You did it, champ.
I don't want to ride this ever again, though.
Hey, listen, you did a good job, though. High five.
Don't worry, get the bus.